We are going to multiply decimals, but temporarily we're going to pretend those decimals are not there. So it's really important that you line up your problem correctly, meaning that you're going to start at the right and make sure all of these numbers are lined up. Then you're going to start with your ones place here, and you're going to multiply this 6 times the 4. 6 times 4 is 24, so I'm going to drop my 4, and I'm going to carry my 2. Then 6 times 7 is 42, plus 2 is 44. Drop my 4, carry my 4. 6 times 2 equals 12, plus 4 equals 16. Now I'm finished with my 6 in that ones place there, so I'm going to drop a 0 here. And it's time for me to move over to this magical 5, and I'm going to multiply 5 times 4, which is 20. Drop my 0, carry my 2, multiply 5 times 7, it's 35, add 2 is 37, drop my 7, add a 3, and then 5 times 2 is 10, add 3 is 13. Notice that I have made sure that all of my numbers are appropriately lined up, and I'm going to add them up. All right, 4 times 0 is 4. 4 times 0 is 4. 6 times 7 is 13. Carry my 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. And then I have my 1. Now I need to figure out where those decimal points go, and there's 2 different methods that I can use. My first method is to see how many spaces there are to the right of the decimal point. So for 2.74, I have 2 spaces. And then for 5.6, I have 1 space. 2 plus 1 is 3, so that's going to be 3 places. So I'm going to start here and move over 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So here's the correct placement of my decimal. The answer is 15 and 344 thousandths. The other way I would determine where the decimal point is just plain old reasoning. 2.74 rounded to the nearest whole number is 3. 5 6/10 rounded to the nearest whole number is 6. I'm going to multiply these. 3 times 6 equals 18. So my answer is going to be somewhere in the realm of 18. 15 is in that realm of 18. If I was to put my decimal point here, the answer would be 1.5. If I was to put my decimal point here, it would be 153. So clearly the decimal point is correct here as 15.344.